Well, I will talk to my husband. I will talk to him.
It's not just to talk to him. You have to caution him. Right? Not to say you go talk to your husband just like that. Many people don't come, they complain. They lay complaints about him. But the one we say, touch me well, now that's barrister. As I just they come back from meeting no money. Bah, see, begin the blow grammar. Huh? If he try enter the man trap, if not be the way we take the vegan today, by now your husband for done the inside jail.
Okay, you never reach like that now. I don't say my husband stubborn. You people, you too, you stubborn. Your brother too stubborn. I go talk to him, I beg. He never reach to go to police station and all that now.
Ofaku oneko. Ofaku just say it turns it to ofe egusi.
Okay. I hear what you talk. I go talk to him.
Talk to him, oh. Warn him.
I will talk to him. I will talk to him.
Ofaku nenu, ofaku nana. Ebe di ofaku to hinu ihe. Akpa yogo mo ba akpanye nchi onwu. Omazuo ike. Ofaku nenu, ofaku nana. Malam. Malam. Malam.
Genye chutane. Zamukwake ze logo ba misa.
Oh, Mitumina.
Hey, Barka.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
How was your day?
Fine.
You are blessed.
This
This bill is how much?
that one. Now 100 naira only.
Wow. This bill is okay.
Yawa.
Do you have milk?
I got some milk. I'm adding 10 milk. Wallahi, you see my sachet milk I don't finish. When I don't go market tomorrow, go and restock. I go get one.
Give me that one.
Make I bring it. So what that one? Yawa. Okay, where are this thing? Are they come? Dakata. Wait. Come. Who's the lie? Wow. Wallahi, I never see this milk. Oh. You see, I mean, I got an 10 milk. Just let me go sell some more one. Go leave the other one. What will happen?
Mitumina, how much is this bread? How much?
The bread in 100 naira. How much this milk? Come. La ilaha illallah. Come, what will happen?
Take. I'll come back for the milk.
Two.
Well done. God bless you.
Yawa. Thank you, man.
God bless you.
Thank you, man. La. See, landlady, wallahi, I no one call you tip. I no one just call you, make one bad people come now. Give me my money. Simple.
Madam. You're my fool.
Yeah?
You don't follow. Me? Still your mother?
You decrease. See, madam landlady, wallahi, I know one verse. If I verse, wallahi, I was scatter for by people. I never call you tip. Judge, give me my money. Simple. Make I go. See this one, they serious. My man, how you go waka from your shop? Come here, they call me thief. Say thief your milk. For what now? You see me for your shop? You see me for your shop? What did I do for you? Madam, if I best for you. If I best now, I go scatter this place. What? I go give you 3. I dey count 1, 2, 3. Come on, give it to me. What nonsense? Are you mad? Emma? No! I will slap you. No, people, makuna come. See this one? I don't catch him thief. I don't catch him thief. Now, landlady, you and your husband are criminals. About what happened? But now I don't want to for my mother for my job. Landlady. Namutu Natashi. Wallahi,
what's the problem? What's happening?
They asked waiting. Landlady, go see Miliki.
Climatopia.
Benny, man, go for.
Hey, this is what is called climatopia mephosis criminology. In section 1, out of the law. Hey, 3 years imprisonment.
Hey. Chill, madam. See, wallahi, madam, landlady. Enough of this risotto. Enough of this.
Praise Master Jesus.
Hallelujah.
You are blessed. What is the problem?
They say landlady still ordinarily Mickey from Aboki shop.
That one.
Mickey.
Wallahi.
Hey.
Wallahi.
Look here.
What are they scared?
Hey!
Wallahi.
Hey!
Wallahi.
What's happening now?
Wallahi.
What's happening?
Landlady still milk. You never hear her.
Hey!
Wallahi.
Landlady see milk.
Allah.
It's still bread.
Allah.
Hey!
Come on, Allah, come make me come catch him. Now Allah bring me come. Now catch him.
Allah carry you come.
Wallahi.
This case don't pass. Barrister don't pass you.
Hey!
Allah don't dey involved. This
What
case
a
don't pass you.
criminal
Hey! Wait, landlady steal milk. You so say na milk is steal.
Benny, me go the law one.
I know. Barrister, na milk landlady steal.
Terminal criminology of the milk.
You even still terminal join.
Yeah.
Wahala. But you say I'm still the milk.
I no see you. I no even know. Now waiting they talk.
Hey!
Smally.
Pastor, no verse abeg. No sir, they interrupt your spiritual realm. You see landlady still make spiritually. Ebuli. Hey! Abeg. Madam, you so say na landlady steal your milk?
Wallahi, it pay me. Why landlady go steal my milk?
Wait.
I don't know.
Children of God is okay. Landlady.
I tell you okay.
It's okay.
I tell you okay. You know they okay.
Why?
How long have you got? If landlady steal milk, now these children, sorry, now these people no go.
What atrocity internet?
This thing no be back. Barrister, as in this milk could be, now so your wife will be. If landlady can steal this milk, landlady can actually steal your wife for 1 day. Huh?
Are you trying to insult our guinea? You want insult my ability?
No,
They go for milk. They go for me. Me and this milk. Look at this one.
It's okay.
I don't like noise.
Very important.
Hey!
It's okay. Landlady, I want to ask you something. And don't lie to me. If you lie to me, I will expose you. I'm not a preacher of love. I don't hide anything secretly. You must be straight and you must be transparent to me. Anything you do in this planet, I know. So don't lie to me. I'm a man of God. I'm a man of war. So in this compound, there must not be a thief. If there must be a thief, I must expose that person. Do you steal the milk? For the last time, before I lay the curse on you now.
What are there? God punish you. What kind of question is that? Why would I steal ordinary milk where I can buy 10 cartons of this? So what's now? Enough for enough. Madam, you don't do for you. You don't come give me.
See, wallahi, madam.
Landlady, do you know you have insulted the man of God, the prophet of the servant of prophet? If you do anyhow now, you are provoking the heaven. You are provoking the heaven. Just listen to me. In this compound now, there must be a lion. And if it didn't cost anything, I must cost your life. Do you understand? You have insulted me because the Lord said in this book of Bible that no man shall touch my prophet and do my prophet no harm. I'm going to deal with you. Yes. Do you understand? I must deal with you because you insulted the man of God. I'm angry with you, madam. So that lady, in this moment now, I can see riot in your family because someone cannot be for you now, before you now, look at me, you have insulted me enough. You understand? I'm going to personally deal with you. Once I'm done, you insulted the man of God. I have always want people stop insulting the man of God. I'm here to expose you. If you are the original strain of this milk, I must expose you. Because the lion in this company is getting out of hand. Because we are here, we are not here for anything. We are here to live and occupy space. If we like be the landlord, if we like be the landlady, I'm not here to care for you. I'm going to be a mountain for this strain of this milk. Nobody, you are this owner of it. Ah, God, terrible. Oh my God, for you, I'm going to talk to you now. If you be here now, bully you. You be here now, bully come back up. You put better yourself. I have to live by the food on a mountain.
I am not happy. I am not happy. How can all of you think together to accuse my wife of ordinary cow milk? When you know that my wife is endowed with natural milk. How can all of you? How can all of you? I have been insulted and I will not take it lightly with any of you. Because I am sure that none of you here can afford even a bag of cement, let alone building a house. If I hear where you are going to pack out of this house, and I said it before you pack in here, that everybody in this compound must keep to my rules and regulations. You must abide by my terms and terminology. What the hell? Ordinary milk. Imagine. Hey, Efe, what is that nonsense for? Then what are you doing? I am talking, you are looking at Bum. We're getting a lot. Will you shut up your mouth? You don't talk when landlord is talking. I am a landlord of emeritus. I am landlord with swag. Nobody should talk when I'm talking. My wife is insulted and you are telling me about nonsense. If you try it again, I'm gonna get Dorima. Dorima. Nonsense. Like I was saying, all of you must face this wrath. By tomorrow morning, everybody here must contribute one tin of milk. Whether powdered milk, or by liquid, or by natural. I don't care to know. All I want is milk. Failure to do that, nobody will leave this compound tomorrow morning. Have I made myself clear? Nonsense. Yeah, but I love you, run low power. Yeah, no power, your wife is the thing. Me, I know that if you want to have no time. No, it's not. I know that you will get what it is. Oh, Calando. I need run up power.
Baboni landlord. Babonile. I want shit.
You want shit?
I want shit.
Mo fẹ́ yàgbẹ́.
Mo fẹ́ yàgbẹ́ ẹjọ́.
Ami shile go fẹ́ o. Àwọn yẹn ṣe nonsense gi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mo fẹ́ go yàgbẹ́. Ngo wo lo fẹ́ ge yàgbẹ́ gi go there go shit am.
Baba ẹ má bínú mo fẹ́ yàgbẹ́. I understand. I want shit. Make I shit for buttons.
Shit am for your body. Yeah. Shit am for your body. So because you want shit now you do face like bingo where community gather beat. Give man your tail for yagbe. You want shit. No be me tell una say before una enter this compound that nobody is allowed to shit twice in this compound. If you don't shit once in a day, shake na. The next one, either you enter bush or you carry bucket to do and keep them for your room in the morning you throw away. I not talk am.
Iruka olele na. One shit.
Akwa iruka. You got hands up.
Ikawa lewe one chef wa. It's not fair. Mo fẹ́ yàgbẹ́ bàbá. Dim shulara mini. Ki yàgbẹ́ sára.
Enter. Here you know palawo bro.
One shit.
Enter make I see you. One person.
Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
Olùdànù tilẹ̀kùn mọ́ mi pé kí n má yàgbẹ́. Ṣé make I not shit?
Lord, why you go do this kind thing now? Which one be say you lock a toilet make person no shit? Abi you wan make him carry shit for bottom?
Make him carry am for bottom. If you like, carry am for head. If you like, make you buy casket to put am carry am for head dey waka around, you no consign me. Yes, the landlord has locked his toilet and that is final. Before you people pack into this compound, I gave warning. I gave you my terms and terminology that everybody must shit once a day. If you shit twice, now you say you go pay for that extra shit. Not what I tell you now.
I wan ask you a question. You will be landlord. How many times you dey shit for one day?
Now my house. If I like, make I use shit to push down this house, you no concern you.
Okay, listen, may I tell you? You know say me I be Yoruba woman. Nothing dey dirty me o. I like dirty. My husband go shit for bucket, I go pour am here. Let me tell you so.
Why if you say na every time, all the time, kulun na you and your husband, the cause trouble for this compound? Why? See, Oga landlord don't talk and say, now once everybody go toilet. He give us the terms and terminologies. Come back, Kabani. So why every time I go there cause some problem up and down? See, what like make I tell me, as you see me so I can't wash my leg, make I do prayer. Jeje, if you try to stop me, if you try to stop me, wallahi, I go dealing with me personally.
Thank God. Allah, you go dealing with yourself. See Aboki, now style where you want take come shit here. Now here that they wash leg. See your head. Landlord, I'm sorry for you. Follow me. It's okay. Carry your bucket. Make we dey go.
Onírànù landlord. Alákọ̀rí.
Gbé koroba ká máa lọ.
Egbére. Alákọ̀rí. Aláìlọ́pọ̀lọ́.
Hey! He can bear Nkata West Monkey. Big bucket. This is you want to drag your husband to the bush to go and shit. I don't even know between two of you the married itself. Whether like the woman they married the man or the man they married the woman, I can't just explain. I don't lock and be say I don't lock. Anybody where shit pass through time, I go collect him money, jelly. Can me get house, nobody get house.
What are they skin?
And you Aboki, this place where they wash leg, you go they pay very soon.
Yeah?
Yes. You go they bring money very soon. You go wash for here, you go wash for here. Guy would wash car wash or leg wash. Very soon I go they collect money for leg washing. One leg, I go bill you. The other leg I go bill you. Choose one portion. Camera no be na me baby. Thank you.
Yo, wow. You know, say me, I know you troublesome person.
I know you.
Now, me, a very gentleman. To so bad, one.
Go to your shop side, go wash and day.
Yeah?
No, you no go wash and here.
I never finish now, guy.
You never waiting. Go there and finish and move.
Oga landlord.
What's the Oga landlord? I go push you.
Oga landlord.
I go push you.
Come on, come on. I never caused trouble for this compound now.
Go! Sophia. Everybody must keep to my terms and terminology. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.